Boom. Zero Odor from our friends at Zero Odor. It's their pet odor eliminator. We've got 2 dogs, Wally and Lloyd, that we absolutely love them. But if you've got a pet, whether it's a cat or a dog, you know, sometimes they just stink. They just smell. And so sometimes when the dogs happen to smell like wet dog and they've laid on something, that odor just drives me crazy. That just drives us insane. So, we've been looking for a great product that safe to use around pets and quickly and effectively eliminates the odor. And that's where this comes in. This has been phenomenal. It's just been great. Use it on a couch, use it on their pet beds, use it on any kind of surface that just kind of their scent lingers into or soaks into, and it quickly and easily eliminates them. This isn't like covering it up with another fragrance. This is like odor elimination, and we have been a huge fan. So overall, if you are looking for a good way to get rid of some pet odors in your house, on your couch, on a pet bed, on a blanket, whatever the case might be, check this out. It's by Zero Odor, and I think you're going to love it.